Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how to remove ads from Chrome. It's no wonder internet users everywhere are searching for ways to remove ads from Chrome. Literally every time you visit a website, there's a good chance you're exposed to multiple ads. Some of them are fine, some of them are intrusive, and many can be incredibly annoying. Whether they are pop-up ads, audio ads, or video ads that interrupt what you are trying to do. Who wants to sit through obnoxious ads on Twitch, on Facebook, just to get the content they want to see? Thankfully, there are simple ways to remove ads from Chrome. We believe that AdBlock from Chrome is the best tool for removing annoying and intrusive ads. AdBlock removes ads on Google, YouTube, Facebook, and all of your favorite websites. It also protects your browser from malware and blocks advertisers from accessing your browsing history and personal information. So here's what you have to do. Go on Chrome, and visit getadblock.com. Enter. And here you have to click Get AdBlock Now. Now you have to click Add to Chrome and then click OK to accept the permissions AdBlock requests. Here AdBlock is asking you if you want to pay some dollars, if you can afford, for the theme, but this is not necessary, so you can close this window. And now you no longer have ads on Facebook or YouTube or any other websites you want to enter. So let's see if it worked. Go on a site and verify if there still are ads on that site. And here, as you can see, we don't have. Also here, and I think so it definitely worked. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and also comment down below if you think this video was helpful. And see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.